Imagine buying your favorite designer handbag online and being able to verify that every stitch, every piece of leather, and every accessory is genuine. Picture a system where you can simply scan a product's code with your smartphone and instantly see its entire journey, from the factory floor to the store shelf, ensuring its authenticity. This is the promise of blockchain technology for product tracking and authenticity. Today, we're diving into how blockchain is transforming the way products are tracked, making sure that what you buy is exactly what you expect, with every detail recorded in a secure and transparent way. Welcome to EduTube's blockchain series. I'm excited to have you join us for the 15th episode of Module 3, where we explore product tracking and authenticity using blockchain. In a world where counterfeits and fraud can sometimes make their way into our favorite brands, blockchain offers a reliable method to verify products. Whether you're purchasing luxury goods, everyday groceries, or even high-tech gadgets, blockchain ensures that every item's history is recorded and unalterable. This not only builds trust between producers and consumers, but also revolutionizes the entire supply chain process. In today's video, we'll break down how blockchain works for product tracking, share everyday examples to make it relatable, and explain why this technology is a game-changer for ensuring product authenticity. Let's begin by understanding the challenges in traditional product tracking systems. Imagine you're shopping online for a pair of sneakers. You might wonder, are these sneakers really made by the brand they claim to be? Can I be sure they haven't been tampered with during transit? Traditional supply chain systems often rely on paper trails, centralized databases, and manual record-keeping. These methods are not only time-consuming, but are also vulnerable to errors, fraud, and counterfeiting. When a product moves through multiple hands, from manufacturers to distributors and finally to retailers, the risk of miscommunication or tampering increases. This is where blockchain comes in. At its core, blockchain is a digital ledger that records every transaction in a decentralized and secure manner. Instead of relying on a single central authority, blockchain distributes data across a network of computers, ensuring that every entry is verified by multiple parties. Let's break down how this works for product tracking. 1. Recording the product's origin. When a product is created, its details, such as the manufacturing date, location, and materials used, are recorded on the blockchain. Think of it as a digital certificate of authenticity. For example, consider a luxury watch. As soon as it's assembled, the manufacturer logs crucial details like the serial number, production date, and the origin of its components. This information forms the first block in the product's digital journey. 2. Tracking the product through the supply chain. As the product moves from one stage to another, say from the factory to a distributor and then to a retailer, each transaction is recorded as a new block on the blockchain. Every time the product changes hands, the details of that transfer, including time, location, and the parties involved, are securely added to its record. Imagine scanning the barcode on a bottle of organic olive oil and being able to see a detailed timeline. From the olive grove where the fruit was picked, to the processing facility where it was bottled, and finally to the store where you purchased it. 3. Verifying authenticity at the point of sale. One of the most exciting applications of blockchain is its ability to let consumers verify product authenticity instantly. When you receive your product, whether it's a designer handbag or a limited edition sneaker, you can use your smartphone to scan a unique QR code on the item. This scan pulls up the entire history of the product from the blockchain ledger. You can check where it was made, who handled it at every stage, and even verify that it hasn't been altered. This not only reassures you of its authenticity, but also gives you peace of mind about its quality. 4. Enhancing transparency and reducing fraud. By storing every transaction on an immutable ledger, blockchain makes it extremely difficult for fraudulent activities to occur. For instance, counterfeit products can be identified because their digital trail will not match the verified history stored on the blockchain. This is particularly important in industries such as pharmaceuticals or luxury goods, where authenticity is paramount. Imagine a scenario where you're buying a high-end cosmetic product. With blockchain, you can verify that the product you're receiving is exactly as advertised, eliminating the risk of counterfeit or substandard products entering the market. 5. Streamlining recalls and quality control. Blockchain's transparent nature also helps in the event of a product recall. If a defect is discovered in a batch of items, say contaminated food products, The blockchain record allows manufacturers and regulators to quickly trace the affected items back through the supply chain. This rapid traceability can save time, reduce waste, and protect consumers from potential harm. It's like having a digital map that shows exactly where the problem originated, making the process of correcting it much more efficient. Daily life examples. Consider a scenario in your everyday life. You order a bottle of wine from a well-known vineyard. With blockchain technology, you can scan a label on the bottle to see its entire journey, from the vineyard where the grapes were harvested, through the winemaking process, to the final bottling and distribution stages. This detailed information not only confirms the wine's authenticity, but also enhances your enjoyment of the product, knowing its story from vine to bottle. Another example is buying electronics. When you purchase a smartphone, you want assurance that it hasn't been tampered with or is a counterfeit. Blockchain allows you to verify the device's production history and track every component's origin, ensuring that the product meets the brand's standards. This level of transparency builds trust and ensures that consumers like you are getting genuine, high-quality products. Challenges and opportunities. While blockchain offers numerous benefits for product tracking and authenticity, there are challenges to consider. Implementing a blockchain-based tracking system requires investment in technology, training, and a shift from traditional processes. Smaller businesses might face hurdles in adopting such systems, and there may be issues related to data privacy and scalability. However, the potential rewards far outweigh these challenges. As more companies adopt blockchain, standard practices will evolve, making the technology more accessible and cost-effective over time. The benefits of reducing fraud, enhancing transparency, and ensuring quality control are compelling incentives for businesses and consumers alike. Conclusion. In summary, blockchain is revolutionizing the way we track products and verify their authenticity. By creating an immutable digital record of a product's journey from creation to the consumer, blockchain builds trust, reduces fraud, and ensures that every item you purchase is exactly as it should be. Whether you're buying a luxury handbag, a bottle of wine, or the latest smartphone, blockchain empowers you with the knowledge of a product's true origin and journey. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of product tracking and authenticity using blockchain. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for the next episode in our blockchain series, where we continue to explore how this innovative technology is reshaping our world. Until next time, keep questioning, stay informed, and remember, every product has a story, and blockchain